Pythonic way to compute sensitivity and specificity. I want to compute the sensitivity and specificity of two NumPy arrays, test, truth. Both arrays have the same shapes and store only the numbers 0, test/truth false, 1, test/truth true. Therefore I had to compute the false_positives, true_positives, false_negative and true_negative values. I did it this way. I think there could exist a much easier, more readable, way because it's Python and not C++. First I tried something like true_positive equals np.summask equals 255 and truth equals 255, but I got this error. Value error. The truth value of an array with more than one element is ambiguous. Use a.any or a.all. Is there a more Pythonic way to compute the sensitivity and specificity? Thanks.
Focusing on compactness through NumPy supported UFUNC vectorized operations, broadcasting and array slicing. Here's an approach. Alternatively, going a bit NumPythonic, we could have countc with np.bin count. To make sure we are getting floating pt numbers as the ratios at the start, we need to use from_future_import division.
Test for same shape. Test for truth values.
The four arrays can be defined and organized like that. Then the scores. Finally the results.
My idea is use collections.counter from standard library.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.